Hi guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use mutable comment in Grasshopper through the contour case. First, let me show you the whole process very quickly. The first comment we need to use is populate 2D, and you can set the region, and the points count is here. And this is a seed. You can change whatever you like. Connect it with mutable. And if you don't know how to find it, use Ctrl+ Option or Alt in your keyboard and click it. You can see it is under the mesh, and you can find the comment from here. And this is the threshold. Let's see how to use it. Disconnect it. Disconnect this one. If I give it a number like 0.3, connect them together, show it. Let's see here. If I slide it to a bigger number, you can see the radius for the circle is smaller. If I change it into a smaller number, all the circles connected each other, right? And if I give it another number, 0.15, connect them together, just drag it to another side. So you can see here, this layer is inside of the outside layers, right? The bigger numbers, smaller radius. If I give it a range, there will be many layers. Can you imagine it? Let's see how to do it. I give it a range, use construct domain from 0.17 to 3 and divide them equally. And the steps is 84, which means there will be 84 layers. And also here we need to use expressions to be x minus 1 because this is domain and this is the numbers. I have explained it many times in the previous tutorials. Connect them together and you can see here there are many layers. Let's see how to use the accuracy option. Connect them together and you can find the polygon is more smooth here. It is not a circle. If I change it to a bigger number, you can see the polylines more clearly. If I change it to a smaller numbers, it is more smooth, but please be careful, it is still polyline. Okay? And then the next step, we're gonna move up all of the lines. So you can use linear array, but I use move with series comments together. It will give you the same result. Let me show it. It will looks like this. Hide it for a moment. Let's start it from here. The first number is 0, which means it won't move. And the gap between two lines is 0.037. You can change it. And then the moving direction is Z direction. And we should use the graph trace. I will explain it in the next tutorial. Let me show it. Here you can see all the lines already moved up. And the last step, I use a customer preview to give it a color. And so it will be like this. Because here is dashed line, which means it is graphed data. So we need to use graph trace for the color. Okay guys, review it. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to do this step by step. Thank you for watching.